and I'm going to be showing you what Garden Pen is like 2026. Big up yourself, John. Yeah, man. So we're walking through like this. What kind of place is Garden Pen? Yeah, because I noticed there's a lot of taxi.
Simple man, go straight back to Elton Park and carry back straight back to Angel now, but drive across the Canal Bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, me see that.
Yes.
A long time.
Right foundation that place, I rebuild the place.
Jano.
Yeah man.
And you like what I go on?
Yeah, what you mean, the place
Yeah.
cool now.
So me I walk it and me I show a case to the world what Garden Pen is like.
Simple, no problem with that one, because you want to find out, so one liberty, you know.
One liberty we are praying.
One love, you know.
Alright.
And like back in the days when...
True, in the 80s when Bangarang.
Banga.
No, Shagala Bagala. You buy from this restaurant all the time? You buy the first time when you come out, that means say food is good the first time. So big up your. You want to encourage persons to come and shop here in Garden Pen?
Yes, come and shop. The food cheaper and it tastes nice.
It's cheaper than everywhere else?
And it tastes good.
It tastes nice.
My man tell me it?
And Garden Pen is
yes.
where
Cover 80.
they cover everything good.
Eh?
Yes, Garden Pen, the whole zone, everything good at Garden Pen. So people not stay away from Garden Pen.
So we're there. We have some nice bodies to buy food. Look on her man. Jeez, are them shape people come to your restaurant all the time? Me mind tell me, so that's why the man turn up right in front of me, so all the while. Sorry. Team Travelers, we are at 80 Restaurant and Bar. And this is the bartender. How your spot, so how you get to manage your work at such a cool place?
Full customer service.
Okay. So you match on the spot, so yeah. So Team Travelers, this place is called Bucktown. Museum Street right here? I thought we were in Bucktown.
Yeah, but you're right, you can move the street.
Garden Pen, massive. Garden Pen viewers and subscribers, welcome to another vlog. Today I will be doing a massive walk and I'm gonna encourage you to journey along with the Blessings today. So right away I'm gonna ask of you to give this video a like, to share with your family and friend, tell a friend to tell a friend that Ever Best Travels is Garden Pen. And Garden Pen, I'll be walking through Bucktown and I'm going to be showing you what Garden Pen is like 2026. So Team Travelers, let's take on the street. And this is how Garden Pen is looking 2026, no joke. It's gonna be a long walk. Ask God mercies, traveling mercies. Ask of Him to guide and protect as I walk this street today. And I will be showing some beautiful homes, no joke. Yes. And I will be asking a lot of questions as well. I want to make sure that I get the communities right, so I can inform you as it is, as I go. This is Garden Pen. Yes. Take a good look, massive. As I said before, Team Travelers. When I say Team Travelers, I wonder what some of you guys think of when I said Team Travelers. I am a traveler, and you're traveling with Ever Blessed Travels. That means you watch my videos on a daily basis as I post them. So you becomes a team. It becomes my team. So I say Team Travelers. Yes. So my viewers and my subscribers, enough love, enough respect to you all for your continued support, for you to continue to watch my vlogs as I travel the streets of Jamaica. And soon and very soon I'll be taking on streets that are not in Jamaica. That means ever blessed travels are gonna fly out and show you what the other rest of countries, some other countries are has to offer, or to show you the beauty. And that time I compare those countries with our country Jamaica, and we say a rich country better. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, John. Yeah, man. So we're walking through like this. A majority of the things, team travelers that you are seeing, that I'm showing you now, I'm seeing them for the first time. No joke. Drive through this area more than one time, never walk. So I'm walking because I want to get up close and personal, and also to show you what this area has to offer. I'll show you the look. Yeah, man. So if you're familiar with this area, as I'm showing you today, yeah, man, drop a comment, man. Or if I've been to, or if I've been to somewhere close to your place, yeah. And we have a what? A church? A prep school? What we have over there? A prep school? A church? Okay. You said go. Oh, Garden Pen Apostolic Church. That is. They do a prep school kind of thing right there. So we also have a auto parts shop there, right here in Garden Pen. Yes. So we have 1 and 2 business places. That's a business place there. Don't know what they sell. There's no sign there to say what. But that's a meat shop right there. I go on Godfather. Yeah, they're recording. You want to catch one? I'm a YouTuber. I'm a show Garden Pen today. What Garden Pen is like? What kind of comment is Garden Pen? You can show you?
Yeah.
What kind of place is what kind of place is Garden Pen? Yeah, because I noticed there's a lot of taxi.
Simple, man, go straight back to Ensom Park and carry back straight back to Angel, but drive across the Canal Bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
So the next question I want to ask you, when we go to Bucktown, at the end in the Bucktown, where out of the little part of the name, the little area there, out of the little old part of Spanish Town, what is the name?
We will go to Bucktown.
Yeah.
And directly to the street, sir.
Yeah. No, man, just as me finish Bucktown and go to the little
part of the way.
Yeah, what is the name?
Waterloo. Waterloo.
Oh, Waterloo, they don't have a breadfruit man there?
Yes.
But how about we pop me over hand out from this road, what is the name?
The same Spanish town.
Me know it's a Spanish one.
Lead back straight back to.
So what are the stretch called Waterloo?
Waterloo down and with Riverly.
Oh.
Riverly Avenue.
Okay.
So right behind the courthouse is Riverly.
Oh yes.
Simple, go straight back to the infirmary.
Yeah.
One Monk Street, go straight back.
Yeah.
Join with the whole church.
Yeah.
The church and the prison right
yeah.
there back there.
You're Spanish town man?
No, I'm Kingston.
I know. You know a place. Oh, you know a place?
Yeah, simple.
Alright. And this is how you reach me for your information. Thank you so much, Daddy.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
A long time we're there for 75, you know.
A long time?
Right foundation that place. We build the place.
Jano.
Yeah, man.
And you like what I go on?
Yeah, what you mean? The place
yeah.
Now.
So me I walk it and me I show a case to the world what Garden Pen is like.
Simple, no problem with that one. Because you want to find out so one liberty, you know.
One liberty we are
one love, you know.
Alright.
And like back in the days when...
True, in the 80s when Bangarang.
Banga.
No, Shagala Bagala.
Living Bangarang.
Big up yourself, Daddy. I appreciate it. So what's my name?
Garden, my name, man.
Garden. Are you that garden pen?
Yes, man.
I feel your place.
Just go over. From 10 to 5, we build it. And we make life come.
General.
Water.
Yes.
Enough man gone.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Mr. Garden. Garden pen. I feel your place. Alright. So Team Travelers, we're outside. There's a car wash here. Nice. Big up yourself, General. May I vlog too? May I vlog garden pen? Big up, big up. Alright. Yeah, man. That not there again. That not there again, my brother. That not there again. Oh gosh. Okay, so we have right there. We have another business place again. M&M. Yeah, man. M&M liquor. Whoa! And in the distance there we have school. Is it a holiday or a primary? Let's see. Let's go check it out. It's another business place again there, and another business again. So Garden Pen have some business places. Yeah. So you can see that the school did have a greenhouse and it get messed up. Somebody need to put it back in place. Yeah, man. So we take a walk into Garden Pen here. But I don't understand. This is Helton Park Primary School. Come on, walk on out. Walk on. So Garden Pen do. Lord Jesus. How we just seen Garden Pen? I know this is saying Helton Park Primary. Team Travelers. Mix up there? I'm gonna ask the question to the next person. If I had seen that before, I would ask Mr. Garden. Well, go on. Big up, Barry. Yeah, man. Original truckman of the place. Aye. Big up, big up.
Up here near Ensom Garden Pen.
Helton Garden Pen.
Yeah.
So it's going
Over
back.
here, so in Garden Pen, you know. Or to them build a scheme, then turn in a Ensom Garden Pen.
Oh. So going that way is Garden Pen?
Yeah.
Or still Helton?
Yeah, Garden Pen. Going that way a Garden Pen. When you go so.
May I record now? I can show you.
Eh?
Okay, may I record? May I have a blessed travels?
No man, when you see scheme,
No.
This we are coming down here, sir. A Garden Pen Boulevard, but the blue council and the union. The school name after the scheme name.
Oh, okay. But I have somebody up there where here's her name and they say Helton. They say Garden Pen.
Garden Pen. They're correct. Garden Pen Boulevard.
Okay.
But the school is Ensom Park and the scheme them, Ensom View, Ensom Acres,
Okay.
and Ensom Park, they back down this.
Thank you for explaining.
Yeah,
Sorry, I can't show you. What do you want me to show you? And you're the whelp on the camera now. I'll do my show you wire. Yeah, see, you look through wire there. So you're a teacher?
No.
I like the way you explain to me because I rather to get it clear from the person who living in this area. Thank you so much. All right, Daddy.
Yeah, man.
Big up. The place look clean and nice.
Yeah,
I'm like that.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. I vlog the streets.
So you're not from here?
Yes, not from this side. So there you have it, Team Travelers. Now we'll take the instruction as they come. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So Helton and this at the boulevard, the scheme box on that side is Helton. But we're still in Garden Pen. Okay. Oh, and they want me to get on another side of the hide it again. More business place again. No joke. Yeah, man. We're walking through Team Travelers. Just hoping that you're enjoying this vlog and you find it interesting to stop being my viewers and be my subscribers. So, you know, I wouldn't mind if I get the chance to stop saying my viewers, because if you are viewing and you're not liking and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, then you are my viewer. But if you subscribe to my channel, then you are my subscriber. Whoa. Do me the honors, Team Travelers. As you watch, just subscribe to the button. Touch the notification bell. That each time I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Yeah, man, we're outside like all the time. And we are showcase. Yeah, this business street here. They're going to put another business place right there. Next to the school. I wonder if it's, that area is part of the school. Alright, Team Travelers, we're walking. Oh, go on, my daddy. That area there is a part of the school. The fence up is what? Is a new business going there?
Football.
Oh, football. They might do something like a stadium. Yeah, man, there's a vlog I got you, man. You want to say hi to my camera? Alright, big up yourself. So, what part me there now? What year's your name? Huh? What year's your name? This year? What this year name?
Red pan.
Huh? Red pan?
No.
Garden pen? Garden pen. Not Hilltop. Garden pen. Boulevard. The road at Garden pen Boulevard. Get it right. Pick up yourself. Are you selling the thing? Yeah. So Team Travelers, I want to make sure I get it right. But if I go along and I messed up, you can still bear with me, because you know we are human and we make mistakes sometimes. So someone might say something and I in return say something else. Yes. And business place is to my left there. Yeah. So business place is to my left again. And the gentleman there say they're going to put up a football. It's a football field they have to the right, so they must fence it up. So that means Team Travelers, you know where we go and try and fence it up. When they go a football match, they will charge if you go in there. No joke. Yeah, they must charge if you go inside the Team Travelers. So when you hear about football match or keeper, garden pen, you have to go have your money. Marlwood Basic School. Oh, what was the name of them place there? Marlwood, I wonder if Marlwood are in there, sir. Alright. Okay, inside there says Marlwood. I think I could almost sure that I've been into that lane already. Some time ago. That lane's supposed to carry you all the way around Marlwood. Yes, I've been to that lane already. Just hoping that they did some road repairs there, because the time that I've been there, the road was terrible. No joke. So Team Travelers, as we go along, you know I will be asking you, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give the video a like, and if you have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers added to the list. Thank you so much. And because you keep subscribing, Ever Blessed Travels keep growing. Greetings. New fashion vanity store. There's another business place there, and we have business place to the left here again. Yeah, we have a lot of. Yeah. Business is booming in this area. This year you have a welding shop here. Big up, Daddy.
Alright,
Yeah. Seventh-day Adventist Church. Yes, I've been to a wedding at this church once. How did I get married again? When I went to that church. I went to a wedding at this church once. How did I get married again? Don't remember. But it rings a bell. I don't remember who was getting married. Yes. Hi, baby mother. You gonna have your baby in a March? Nice. Me call your baby Ever Blessed here. Me born March too, you know. I would have a nice month you want your baby. You want to say hi to my vlog? Miss a YouTuber, you want to say hi? Miss a YouTuber, you want to say hi? You don't want nobody see you with your match, baby. Alright. So Team Travelers, yeah, this home. I like to see palm trees. I like to see palm trees. No joke. And more business place again. Yeah. And this man, no one for nothing. More business place again. Now I come out the side. Now this side. Make sure it's a Noah. Big up yourself, my daddy. Yeah. You see them wire? A whole heap of them dog come from my street. I want to go on with them. Eh? But they might tear down hard, man. The Team Travelers, look at this wire here. In my community, there's a lot of them on the ground. You know what? I had was to get out of my home and get the pliers and cut them. Yeah, church is in session here. Life Center Tabernacle. Church of God of Prophecy. Church of God of Prophecy, big man. Wow. Oh, today is Wednesday. Today is fasting service. Okay. Alright. Oh, man, don't bust me. Don't bust me. Hi. You must be a Christian. Are you a Christian? Because you say so close to the church.
Get so close to the church.
You got a different church?
Yes.
Alright. So how are you doing today?
I'm good.
I'm a YouTuber. Do you have vlog on this year? You can check out my channel. You want to say hi to anyone? Why you don't want to say hi to no one? Look on you ever look, you're looking at your mirror before you leave us, man, and see a cute smiley?
Yes, boss.
Show the world how cute the smiley.
Yeah, but we don't want to come in.
Show man. You're disappointed, man.
Why?
What, you have anything else for free?
No? Oh, well. They are going to have a compass here the 9th of March, but...
Look here. No hard time for you to big up the channel. Big up your thing on the channel. You have to come around on this side.
Oh, God.
Tell the world something about it. Tell them how they can reach you. Tell me what you have.
I'm having a combo sale.
Combo sale, what you call a combo? Yeah, let me see it, man. Combo sale. That
yeah,
is.
Man, they can't sell otherwise, so we have a combo sale for that day. That day is
It's a cake. The Team Travelers in the dark, it's too dark. Wow. Yeah. But Team Travelers, can you see what she's gonna have? She says it's a combo sale. 5 the Costa.
No, 5 Vita clothes.
Vita.
Oh, right, a Vita, don't put a number, Vita clothes. See there?
Oh, right. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vita clothes.
Okay. Right here. Okay. Yes. So what I was selling? Tell me exactly what I was selling.
No, I sell these things.
I know.
But for the combo sale, you just gonna get a package with KFC chicken, rolls, patty, slice of pizza, and then it's either Smirnoff Ice or Malta.
And the cost?
And 2.5.
General. Alright. So you see, this video is gonna post today. Look out for it. And listen up to the person and say, do you deliver? Will you deliver it to a person? Yeah. The Team Travelers. You hear the entrepreneur on the street as I go. This is a have a combo sale. And it's gonna be right beside the church. So while you're buying, you'll be getting a blessing from there. You'll be getting a blessing there. Big up yourself, General. Yeah, man, because we keep walking through. There's a lot of business places around here. Yes. So it's a mixed vibe with church and school and entrepreneurs and yeah. So this is another restaurant here. So you're not supposed to dark and pen and hungry. You have restaurants right here. Big up yourself, daddy. Yeah, man. You buy from this restaurant all the time? Huh? You buy from this restaurant all the time? you buy the first time when you come out, that means the food is good the first time. So big up your chef. Okay. I wonder if chef want to hear what you just said. You want to big up my friend? We're doing a vlog in this area.
Yeah, big up yourself for the thing, man.
Yeah, man. You want to encourage persons to come and shop here in Garden Pen?
Yes, come and shop. The food cheaper and it tastes nice.
It's cheaper than everywhere else.
And it tastes good.
And it,
It tastes nice.
my man tell me it.
And the Garden Pen this.
Yes.
Where
Cover 80.
you cover everything good.
Eh?
Yes, Garden Pen, the whole zone, everything good at Garden Pen. So people not stay away from Garden Pen.
So we're gonna get 1 spoonful of rice and you charge me.
1 spoon, 3 spoon of rice, yeah.
I know. Yeah, man. So let me give you a card as to how you reach me. I will post today. Alright. Pick up yourself, Jenna. Alright, cool. Alright. You want a card as well?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Check it. Yeah, man. Take a look and see how you look fine. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Garden Pens. Fully active. Jewel Close. Wow. The names of the communities are interesting as well. Jewel Close. Yeah. You say you've been watching me for a while.
Yeah, man.
So that means that me have. So let me ask you now. Are you my viewer? Are you my subscriber?
Everything.
If you watch me all the time and you never subscribe, you are my viewer.
Everything.
But if you watch, subscribe and you like my videos, then you are my viewer and my subscriber. Alright. See that purpose? Now give you a showcase the place one more time. A restaurant. Yeah. And inside there we have some nice bodies of buy food. Look on her, man. Jeez, Are them shape people come to your restaurant all the time? Me mind tell me, so that's why the man turn up right in front of me, so all the while. Sorry about that. Alright. And you have ice cream.
Yeah, man.
Turn. Yeah. Team Travelers. Garden Pen not missing nothing. And not only that, they have a camera there watching me like how me I watch them. That means if you go on with cheese and piece, I can't go upstairs. So anything shagala bagala. Time, no. Time is the master for everywhere we go.
Yeah, man.
We can't. Oh, you have bar up here. So when people come in and have their fun up there, so they might get all of the cool breeze.
It's just a lounge, bar lounge.
Jano, me glad me to take the walk here. Yeah. You did sound smart. You did sound smart how long, but you don't sound smart anymore. Now that I show thousands of people your place, they gonna visit you. So tell me how that go. You need to buy me a drink. Come on, let me have that water.
That more you do more.
Put the water on the house, bro. Team Travelers, you can't. You look at party up there. You look at put a little birthday party on
something, man.
Jano.
You can have a rental.
Okay. Around this, what they do around there? Bar and lunch.
Yeah, man.
And you have your bathroom. You don't have to run downstairs if something come down by you.
Everything, one shot.
Me like it.
One shot, man.
Me like it. Garden Pen.
Yeah.
But Garden Pen people now if you go to Spanish Town to go get nothing.
You see the view, you know, because no one else see the view.
Oh, that's why I mean I say well for Garden Pen people at Spanish Town.
Yeah, no one else see the view, you know.
Sure no.
So, boss of the king big time. You see that?
That's gonna happen.
That's why I call you back and say,
Yeah.
say your part to
Team Travelers, I was making fun with him.
Yes, I first me know that.
Him sponsored. Watch out! I'm making up there.
Hey, me, man.
I'm a brother. So the media meet him come go to see what I'm
Yeah. Team Travelers.
Alright.
The general say watch me all the time.
Yeah, man.
Team Travelers. Team. Big up the man if you're Yeah. So
Kids are Jamaica walk by.
No.
Team Travelers, we are at 80 Restaurant and Bar. And this is the bartender. Bartender, How your spot, so how you get to manage your work at such a cool place? Come talk to me, man. Are you beauty? Me I look for you. Are you beauty? No man, you can't talk, man. You can't talk. So how long has you been working here at this bar?
1 year and couple months.
So you managed to keep your job so long? I mean, most of the time, bartender them have to get shift up. Yeah. So you like working here? Yeah. Okay. What the customer always want to come back because of what? Why customer always want to come back?
Good service.
Good customer service.
Okay. So you match on the spot, so yeah. Alright. I can see that. So you have in the social media, what social media platform you have? TikTok? Come a little closer and big it up. Alright, big it up from there. Big up your TikTok page.
Chili pepper Thomas.
Me hard in hear you.
Chili pepper Thomas.
Chili pepper Thomas?
Yeah.
What a name? Who tell us to give your name? Chili pepper Thomas.
Yeah, I get love me.
Jano. So you're asking persons to follow you. Some team travelers follow. Team, what your name? Chili
pepper.
Chili pepper Thomas. Yeah. You're bossy. Chili pepper Thomas. And also your bar have a very interesting name.
Yeah.
And team travelers, I was making fun of the proprietor for the bar. Say, oh, you should give me water.
Yeah, man.
I was making fun and give me water, team travelers. So now I am hydrated.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna be taking on the street and show the rest of God depend to you all. And I also wanna take the time out to encourage you all so you're inside. Someone else on. If up here is so cool, well, you better put up all the fun there.
Come on, because sometimes you know when the crowd come in, you have the fun.
Up at this place no fun. The way all this breeze are cool up here with this cool bartender here, you know no fun up here. Look on Garden, Hen Team Travelers. We are on the upper floor. Yeah? And the floor man I make sure I make sure say the internet service right. So I'll be taking on the street again and I'll be going to Bucktown.
So is it?
Yeah man.
So you know say I link up again.
Yeah man.
Link up
Appreciate you my brother.
every time.
Really enjoyed this little stay up here.
Hello.
Yeah man, the service was cool. So team travels are going down this step here.
Yeah man.
Alright. And you make sure you put a shed over your step. That means that your client, your customer don't get wet.
Yeah, look now, you see it. I will make sure I will reel it.
Yeah, so you can still hold on to it. Yeah.
And I drop down the step.
Jano.
Yeah.
So I'll show you the menu board. Oh, that's why she said she have the cheapest food. No, I see the price there. Jano. Alright, team travelers. Alright. So. Yeah.
You see it? You just go little further and catch it right on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
Sports bar and lunch.
Okay, sir.
Channel.
You see, I catch everything now.
Yeah. I said ice cream is everything up on the same place. So team travelers, we're going to take on the street. My brother, I appreciate you. A lot of business places, yeah. Nice. Yeah. Garden pen.
I just say we circle back again.
Appreciate you, my brother. Not too long from now.
Pick up yourself.
Appreciate you. So team travelers, we're going to take on the street. We take a nice 5. As I did show you before, Jewel Close, I was this spot when the proprietor for that establishment called back to say, yo, I want a yell. Yeah man, I give it. And I turn back with no regrets, no joke. Business places, so there's another business place, and close by down there's another business place. What? I said Garden Pen are going? Yeah, Garden Pen, nice. So I continue to sip on my water here. Thank you so much, my brother. This water was paid for by the proprietor for the owner for the AT bar and lunch, sports bar and lunch. Wow, team travelers, Garden Pen are going with itself. Yeah man, I was walking through and we hear music playing, and we see some persons on upstairs there. What they do there? Wow. Wow. Wait. I want to go on. Hi. Big up garden fair. You want big up garden fair? Who you want big up for garden fair? Who you want big up? You do business around here? Me like the business. All the business them are come on the garden fair. Yeah man. So what garden fair a cool place where anybody can walk through anytime and enjoy themselves. Yeah, we need to cut out the stigma from this place. A lot of people have bad belief of garden fair. Yeah. Dash it through the door. Yes. Throw it in a rubbish bin and burn it up. Alright, see you soon. Alright, this place is Team Travelers. Now this is saying a different thing. This is saying Ensom City. Go on. This sign is saying Ensom City. Oh, Gospel Chapel. So that means I would have to ask question again to find out if we finish with garden fair. Yeah. I'd ask question Team Travels. The next person I come across, I'll ask that interesting question. And this is a light and power JPS power station. Put yourself inside this up. You get roast. No joke. So we're walking through the same way. Countryside JA. This is a long walk, my G. I wonder if you could have managed them long walk at countryside. Now you Mr. Diaz. What is wrong with you? I don't see you doing any walking. Walk on. You need to do some walking, my sister. Where is the walking videos? Naomi Sturdy as has. Oh boy. It's a tire shop here. Long time tire shop. This place. Look like him take leave. They're on holiday today. Tire now repair today. But we're walking through the same way. Yeah. It's another huge church there. Another big church there. Yeah. Very big church. So we're walking through the same way. Good afternoon, mother. What this here is? What is the name of this street here? This. Boulevard. Okay, Garden Boulevard. Yeah. Okay. So we finished with Garden Pen? Yes. Okay. So there you have Team Travelers. One thing to sometimes you ask a question and you ask a question to the wrong person. Yeah. See another sign there, say Ensom. Alright. So we watch and see. Don't live here. I'm just passing through and showing you the beauty of this place. So I have to be look very careful and have the understanding as I go. Party ice sold here. Yeah man. And not only party ice. Food as well because I miss a pot. Yeah, some nice homes too. No joke. Some nice homes are here. Wow. It's a long walk, team travelers, and the sun is hot. So I was blessed with a bottle of water from the bar there. Really grateful. I could have bought myself a water, but I was running joke with the gentleman there, and he offered me a bottle of water, and it did well. Appreciate you, my brother. So what we were talking there about at the bar was saying that garden pen has a stigma because of things that have happened in that era in the past, and persons is still with the belief that the same thing will occur again. So we're talking about the 80s, when a lot of bad stuff was happening in and around Spanish Town, whole St. Catherine, and garden pen was part of the stigma. It's no longer here. You can walk freely on the street, no one mess with you. And team travelers, I've been walking for the longest while, and no one has cried out to say, watch your camera. Everyone that I approach is fully friendly. Yeah, man. That means they don't have nothing to hide. Yeah, man. So for all the persons who are familiar with garden pen, who might have know something that happened in garden pen over the years, bad things, the place cool and calm. And this place has a lot of mango trees too, especially Julie mangoes. And I know these people may have planted Julie mangoes because they don't grow tall. Yeah, man. So that is what it is the reason why most of these persons plant Julie mango, because they don't grow that tall. But this is what it is. Team travelers, look at this one. Look at the amount of mango with this one, be team travelers. Whoa, a lot of mangoes on this tree here. See? Wow, a lot of mango. And you see how wide it is? There. A lot of mangoes on tree there. Wow. Nice place, really. Love this stretch here. Nice flowers here. Nice lawns. Nice walk. Long walk too. Channel. So team travelers, I want to take on a new adventure. For all the persons who might have I want to offer a service. I want to offer a pickup, a let-off service at the airport. So if you coming from overseas, you can link up with the travels. I'll pick you up from the airport, drop you to your place of safety, and I can also pick you up from your place of safety back to your airport. Yeah. Making a lot of noise. Those dogs are called Rottweilers. Yeah. Yes, team travelers. So for if you want me to have a service like that to you, check right here. Right here. A number will be right here. Check that out. Give me a call. I'll pick you up from the airport. I'll let you off at the airport. We talk the price. We discuss the price. The price is right. Getting closer and closer to Bucktown Team Travelers. Getting closer and closer to Bucktown. Yeah, man. And at Bucktown, this video will come to a close at Bucktown. So we'll walk closely in. One thing I know for sure, there is a lot of taxi in this area. Can't shout a taxi. Taxi every turn. Taxi. These taxi run to Spanish Town. No joke. Spanish Town Town Center. So they pick you up and they let you off. If you're coming off on the Brunswick, if you're coming off, wherever you're coming off. Yeah, man. Wow. Wow. I'm hot. Trust me. As I said before, it's a long walk, team travelers. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video thus far. Really appreciate it. House for sale. So if you're interested to buy a house in this area, this is the number that you call to get the house. When you call and get the house, give everybody a call as well. A number is in the description of my video. But I wouldn't know, this road takes you back into Brunswick Avenue. That's how I go? I don't remember. But it's somewhere there. Hi, good evening. Yeah. I've asked a female there a question as to where this. I think this is Helta. Yeah. Yes. The scheme here. I think it's called Helta. And I made a promise and I didn't keep the promise. I said the next person I encounter with I would ask the question. And I messed up there when I see the female there. I was in development here. Really nice. Built some nice homes. Can I see that this person drive all the way to the back of the house and park? There are really some nice homes in this here. No joke. For Team Travelers, when I observe and take a good look, I realize that Garden Pen is the place that is really buzzing in terms of business places and all that. But down this side are some nice homes. As we talk about business, there's one inside here. Buzzing with business places. Garden Pen. Team Travelers, I am assuming that we finish with Ensom and now in Bucktown. Just hoping that the next person I see and ask the question, they'll confirm that we are now in Bucktown. Nice business place there. Oh, it seems as if there's a bar up there. We're walking through a sea, aren't we? Yeah. Wow. So Ensom is back there. And this must be Bucktown. So in this area, there are a lot of persons that do entrepreneur business. They will dig sand from. Oh, now I can see that place. We are at the back of big up yourself, Daddy.
Alright.
But this called here is called Bucktown.
Yes.
We just come to Eltham? Eltham what? Oh, sure, let's say with that Bucktown now. Alright. Alright, so Team Travelers, look at those buildings there. It is the back of, we are now at the back of Brunswick Village. Wow. We are at the back of Brunswick Village. I didn't know. Wow. Very interesting. But they do a lot of cutting down the trees here. Wow. Oh, yeah? Place develop and look different. Big up yourself, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Brunswick Village is there. Right in center camera there. Is Brunswick Village. Wow. And this area is called Bucktown. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go home. I am learning something new today again. Now where does this go? Welcome to what? Not too sure. The painting is peeling from that sign there. But Bucktown, very interesting place. I want to be on the other side because I want to show the gully there. Oh. Very interesting gully here with no care, no TLC in this gully. Wow. Wow, surrounded with the develop. Haven't been to this side for years. So further back there you have a person who used to dig sand from the river and sold it to the side of the road. But now, Brunswick Village. Wow, give this place a facelift. No joke. So Team Travelers, this place is called Bucktown. Wow. See a female up here on the ask her what the name of this place, just to confirm. Wow. Hi, good evening. What is the name of this place, please? Newton Street right here? I thought we were in Bucktown.
Yeah, but you're right, you can Newton Street.
So how they come up by saying Bucktown? Oh, ELS Sympathy.
Yeah, but you're right, near my Newton Street.
Okay, okay. Let me give you a card here as to show you who I am. Thank you so much. So you want to tell me anything about Newton Street? What kind of place is Newton Street? Oh, you don't live there? Where you living at? But I noticed that Brunswick Village give this place a nice facelift to the side. Wow, but I wish they could do some TLC to the gully there. You wish that too? Alright, please check out my channel. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my channel. Big up yourself. Alright, cool. So we are going to where you said this place name again? Hey, look here now. You never say it, you know. Bucktown. You never say Bucktown.
Newton Street.
Newton Street.
Yeah.
So when we leave from here and go to the end of the road, what is the name?
That's
Nugent Street?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I always believe that this whole this stretch is Bucktown. I didn't know. So I learned a lot today. Big up yourself. But you know me alright though?
Yeah.
You see me run Broadman all the time?
Yeah.
You know me to Princess? Okay, alright. Big up yourself, yeah? Alright. So, Team Travelers, as we go along. We're learning. We're learning as we go, Team Travelers. There's this gully here. As we say. The gully and we get no TLC. Which direction does that come from? You come from and go that way? Or you come from that way and go that way? Don't know. So Team Travelers, me learn something again. I thought that the whole of this stretch was Bucktown. What they're saying is Nugent Street. So Team Travelers, what I do, I'm gonna say this again, that what I do, I narrow down driving for you. So for the persons who drive, they wouldn't have known or seen so much. So what I do, I walk and show them to you. So you have a clear understanding as to what goes on in these areas. Yeah. As you hear those two residents there, say it's called Nugent Street. You know, Joy? You look like it, yeah man, you look like it cast today. Alright. Welcome to Nugent Street. New to me. I had thought that, whoa, and it's also a narrow street. Yeah, turn off all the way. Yeah, man. So we're at Nugent Street. Hey. And the place the name Wow Taste Food. And you have a lot of business places. You ever buy food from that place? They say the name Wow Taste Food. What is wow what do you think wow mean? Eh?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Coffee.
We're walking through Team Travelers. I'm hot. And this person here does car seat. Very interesting color too. Wow. Team Travelers, look at this. Pick up yourself in general. By the poster, man. Me like the seat, man. Me like this.
Yeah.
We can TV. We can TV right now. Shanghai, Team Travelers, look at this. On Nugent Street, this man does a nice red and black. I like it. The Team Travelers, the poster man said, yes, the place named Nugent Street. He didn't want to show off himself today, Team Travelers. It's one other day. But this promotion only will come to him at once. And it's today. So, if I ask of you to showcase yourself on my platform today and you don't take it today, you miss the chance today. So Team Travelers, we're almost to the end of this walk, where I told you that we'll be in Bucktown, but somebody says not just Bucktown, it's Brunswick. It's right, Nugent Street. But all the years I know this place, I always say Bucktown. Big up. I always say Bucktown, Team Travelers. Yes. But today, I learned that it is Nugent Street. Alright. Patrick. Big up yourself. It's just a yearly one, Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's my familiar face there. Yes. Wow, how about this again? This was a parish tank? Built in the 18th centuries? Wow, Team Travelers. I learned so much today. Oh, and that road's supposed to take you to Waterloo. Wow. Wow. So team travelers, there you have it, there you have it, there you have it. This is supposed to be Nugent Street. The whole of this area, I think it is called Nugent Street. Alright. And we also in Nugent Street we have new business. DS refrigeration. One way in. Alright. So there you have it, team travelers. There you have it. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you so much, my viewers and my subscribers, for your continued support to Everblessed Travels. It was a long walk, and if you had walked with Everblessed Travels from the beginning to this point where I say it's gonna be the end, really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you for your continued support. No joke. And so I would say we are at Nugent Street again. This is Nugent Street for you team travelers. Yeah, man. Team travelers, this video will come to an end. See you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe, as I always ask.